Hey everybody, Marcus Eligan over here at Mortgage Experts. Coming to you today to talk about HELOCs and the benefits of a HELOC or a home equity line of credit. All right. So a lot of my clients I've been getting calls from a lot of clients saying, I don't want to touch my first mortgage. My first mortgage is a 2% or a 3%, and I don't want to touch my first mortgage interest rate. So do I have any solutions to take any cash out of my home? And the answer is yes. You can do a HELOC or a second mortgage on your home, which doesn't affect your first mortgage, but the HELOC will actually give you a line of credit. There's two options. You can either do a standalone second or you can do a line of credit. The difference is the line of credit stays with the mortgage company until you request a draw, and that draw will actually allow you to take some of that money out. The standalone second or the piggyback loan is more so if you wanted all of the cash up front. So for instance, if a client said, hey, I want $100,000, how can I access my money? Well, the first option would be a line of credit. Let's say they want up to 100,000, but the first draw, they might only do 20,000 or 30,000, which is perfectly fine. And then with the standalone, you actually will receive all of that 100,000 all at once at closing. So you definitely have many options. In most cases, a HELOC, you will have to pay interest only your first couple of years. But basically after that, it gets re-amortized for your actual correct mortgage payment. And hopefully by then rates will actually go down and we'll be able to combine your first and second and give you a decent rate on all of your loans. But basically that's how the HELOC works. If you want more information or if you're curious about if you might need a HELOC or not or a standalone, feel free to reach out to me at 301-945-8300, or you can go online and go to approvememarcus.com to start an application right away. Well, thank you so much. If you like what you heard, or if you know anybody that's interested in needing cash or taking equity out of their home, please like, share, and follow this video. And I hope you all have a wonderful and great day.